Dad, I'm fine. I'll see you later.
It's me, Bianca.
I wish I know. All I know is that I'm sad.
You are sad?
Yes.
But I asked you if you love this guy and you said no. So what's going on?
I felt so. Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Where are you heading to?
I'm headed to the market.
To the market?
Yes.
Like this? No, you shouldn't do that. You should be resting by now.
My friends, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay. I'm a strong girl. I'm fine.
You're a strong girl.
Yes, my friend.
No, I insist. You're just recovering.
My friends, I'm okay. I really need to support my sister. You know I'm no longer riding my bike, so let me just help her out in the market.
Okay, fair enough. But you see that bike? You no longer go back to that bike business, alright?
My friends.
I insist, yes. Where's the sister?
My sister is inside.
Inside?
Yes.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much, my friends.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Alright, I'll take my leave.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
It's looking like my whole life is ending without him. I can't even think straight anymore. Oh God. Bianca, help me. Bianca, you have to help me. If what I am feeling is love, then I want him to feel double of it. I want him to go crazy the way I'm going crazy for him. I want him to adore me. I want him to worship me. I want him to worship every step that I take. Bianca, please help me. Help me, please help me.
Please, calm down yourself, okay? Calm down yourself. Look, you have to go in there. You're freshen up.
No.
Go out and confront your nightmare.
I don't want to freshen up. I want to face my nightmare now. Now, Bianca, I want to confront my nightmare. I want to confront it now.
Hello? Greetings! Who is at home? Mwah! The prince is here! Is anyone home? What? I shall remain here until you come out.
Oh, finally. She's here. I thought you were going to remain in here for the rest of the day.
You know, I intentionally stayed indoors, thinking you would go away. But as usual, you are as headhunt, just as your father.
Well, I don't know if that is a compliment, but whatever it is, it's fine.
Anyway, what did you do for here?
I came to see you. And to also drive you to the market.
Drive me to the market? Prince, you see this tunnel where you won't pass through, eh? I would advise make you go back, because there is no light at the end of the tunnel. That darkness is that place where you will enter. I no go lie for you.
Let's get to the end of the tunnel first. But please, I beg you, can I drive you to the market?
No, I'm not going to go anywhere with you.
She's so beautiful. Very bold. She has some guts. A befitting bride for me, Prince Obiachina.
Hello?
Hello, Princess?
Leave whatever you're doing and start coming home now. There is trouble.
Problem?
Father, the prince will soon be here. He's coming.
My friend, Ozondo, please, you've heard her, okay? The prince will soon be here, so let's exercise some patience.
Yes. Chinenye! Chinenye! Please attend to our visitors.
The right-hand man of the king.
Are you
that
serious?
Man that likes enjoyments. Then what is the problem? I don't know. But with what I can get, everyone is waiting for the prince.
Waiting for the prince?
Like he's in exile.
Greetings, Father. My Queen. Chief. Hi. I hope all is well.
All is not well. My very good friend here wants to talk to you.
I have not come to talk with you. I have only come to ask you a question. Why have you decided to toy with my only daughter's heart?
Who said that? Who said I came to toy your daughter's heart?
Listen.
No, I won't do that.
I need you to tell my very good friend here whether you want to marry her daughter or not.
Father, what is this? We are adults, old enough to take decisions and stand by it. What is all this? Why on earth are we blowing this out of proportion? Is marriage by force?
Young man, no one is forcing you to marry my daughter. Just answer the question. Are you ready to marry my daughter? Yes or no?
No, I will not.
Young man, you are heartless. After sleeping with my daughter, after the useless promises and hopes you made to her, all you want to do is abandon her. You are wicked. You are heartless.
Ozundu, we can sort this out. Now, listen, sir. I will not sit by and watch you ruin everything I'm getting from the government because of your stupidity. Now, I'm giving you 48 hours. Go and look for Nancy, beg her, and make her your bride. Else, you will cease to be my son.
What is it? What is it, you woman beater? Eh? What do you want this time?
Watch your tongue, young woman. I'm not your mate.
What will happen? Come here now. I'll beat you the way you beat you the other day.
I can see you are nothing but a temptation. But I promise you one thing. I will jump and pass. Franca, please can we talk? Please.
No.
Franca, please give me one more chance to explain myself to you, please.
Ebuka, I told you it's over between us. Bam. So whatever it is you want to tell me, save it for your next girl. But that's if any girl would agree to even date you.
Franca, you are my girlfriend. I don't have any other girl. Franca. Franca.
Man, this gender will stain your whites. You see that gender? Fear them. They don't have conscience. I feel so bad for Auntie Nancy. Echene is a good man. But it's so obvious after what is happening now. He's as heartless as his father. Shh. The walls have ears. You cannot just discredit the prince over this matter. You can't just discredit him on this matter now. I'm sure both of them have bonding. There's a bond between them.
I did not lead her on. What is wrong with everybody in this house? Why is no one listening to me? Even you?
But you've been sleeping with her, isn't it?
Just once.
What do you mean by just once?
Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority. Before the king.
Hey, boo-boo.
Get your hands off me. Last night, you planned it out, right?
Oh. Yes, but it wasn't my idea. It was all Bianca's.
Bianca. So I am right to say you took advantage of me.
What? Oh, stop that silly joke. Me? Take advantage of you? Hell no. Anyway, I only did what I did to make you mine. Trust me, I enjoyed every bit of it.
I wanted us to be on this space as family friends, but you ruined everything. Henceforth, you will no longer have my time.
Oh, come on. That's too hard. Oh, Prince, stop now. Come on. It's not that hard. Baby! Baby!
from that day until today, I maintained absolute distance from her. Yes. So tell me, how did I lead her on? How did I break her heart? No, you be the judge.
Man, this gender will stain your white with red oil.
You see that gender? Fear them. They don't have conscience.
I just feel so bad for Auntie Nancy. Like she does not deserve all of this at all. Yeah, I was thinking Prince Obiechina is actually a good man. But with what happened here today, that man is as heartless as his father.
Shh! Bridle your tongue. The walls have ears. You can't just discredit the prince over this matter. I'm sure they both have a bonding link between them.
What nonsense bonding link are you talking about? The bonding link they have, and yet he's leading her on and sleeping with her. Peggy, say the truth if you see it.
But how did she lead her on? How? How now? Now tell me, how did he lead her on?
See, this is our agenda, Sha. Women. We have wahala.
Even at that, Nancy did all that because she truly loved him, not of bad intention. But that is not enough reason for him to break her heart like that.
You see, now them sabi. It's entirely on them. All this royalty problem, my hands are off. Babe, no problems. I'm here and leave it
This place you brought me. This place looks somehow.
Nancy, you don't have to be scared. I'm taking you to where destinies are being controlled. Trust me, everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure about this.
Okay. I believe you.
Let's go.
She's a fearless tigress. She is ready for the war. Bring it on to Buja. She fears no man at all. She know when lies. Truth now what done for her side. All she wants is freedom of her people. All she needs is freedom and truthfulness. We are only one. Somebody need to say the truth.
Where are we going? This place is just like the middle of nowhere.
That's the place that you're going to. Please, and we're here already. This is where destinies are being controlled. Trust me, everything will be fine. Do you know the prince or not?
I do.
So let's go.
Then how did you discover this place?
This is not time for too many questions. Please, can we just leave? It's okay.
Somebody need to.
This is where destinies are.
Somebody need to say the truth. Before the
Nancy, you better comport yourself. Now you guys got come here, so better comport yourself. What's all that?
Baba?
Bow before your Baba.
The tiger envies the eagle, wishing it can develop a wing and fly all over the world. While the eagle envies the tiger, hoping it could have the opportunity to dwell on land and catch its prey. Those in darkness thinks they have the lights, while those that have the lights envies those in darkness. You have come to force the hand of fate.
Come on, okay, hold the money, please. Come, bring that. Come on. Madam, where your money?
Have pity upon a poor widow.
Which kind of English come with this one? We come to collect money, they ask us, they tell us poor widow.
Please, this is the only means where I and my children feed from, please. I've not sold anything since morning.
Okay, we the mad for here, Abi. We the mad for here.
Hey, what is your call for that place? What did they stop?
We don't need her for this matter.
You say waiting.
We don't need it for this matter.
Oh my cabang.
We don't do our job, I beg. We don't need you here.
Which job are they mad? Huh? I am the youth leader of this kingdom. This market is under my jurisdiction. I get shop for here. You have no right to torment anybody in this place.
My friend, shut up. Now English is just they speak. We don't do our work here. They speak English. They crazy.
Ma, shut up. Come on.
Those tax force, they were here in the market. You needed to see how they avoided our shot. Are they not scared? First, the fear face.
Now. Hey, the fear of Ogedimba
is the beginning of wisdom.
Sister Dima, the tax force is fighting your sister there.
Where?
Let me the boat like.
Those who live in the lights envy those in the dark, while those in the dark think they have the lights. And I ask you, are you sure you are ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
To kill the hate in a man's heart, you need love. To kill the vitals of love, you need hate. Loosen up and make up your mind. I ask, do you want to do this?
Yes, I want to do this.
Trish, my hands.
You would enchant his name 7 times at the 00 hour and the night. Put it on your waist and lay with him. Within the next 24 hours, he will go into oblivion, where you will become his present and past.
How am I supposed to do that? My presence irritates him.
Mine is to provide solutions to your burden. Yours is to carry on with the instructions.
Thank you, Baba. She will do just that.
Remember, when you force the hand of fate, there are inevitable consequences.
What does that mean?
Your time ticks. Tick.
Thank you. Thank you.
Get out for me.
Yeah, toilet. Can I do it? Don't run,
no, come out now. Okay, she don't run. She run, Abi. No, I think you know the shit. Come out now. Okay, she this way with the player. Mugu. This way with the player, Abi. No, come out. You feel say you be man. Hey. If I don't keep this girl, put her for the body now. If I don't keep this girl, just. Where you there? You the challenge us. Come on! Come on, sir!
Let's go. For collect you to now.
This girl get luck, oh. I think say she know the fear now. Where is this girl? For just scatter her now.
Go out.
She claim say she be man. She want challenge us.
In this land, I must fulfill me. In this land,
Franca, have you seen my sister?
No, but I heard you people were attacked by unknown gunmen.
Franca, they are not unknown gunmen. They are from the palace. Yes, they sent them. The king of this community has sworn that my sister and I will not have peace. He sent them to kill us. What are you going to do now? I am going down to the palace and I will make sure they releases my sister to me.
No, I don't think that is a good idea. That will only provoke him the more, and you know you're not fully recovered yet.
You think I care? They should go ahead and do their worst. I am heading over there for them to release my sister to me. My sister. Hello, sister. Okay.
Where is she?
My sister says she's safe. She's not even at the palace.
Okay, so where is she now?
before the king, I was behave like a king. Onyane kiri, adira mi montu. Marakwani ibu ase, ibu ase, ibu na chumana.
Why did you send your boys to kill Moa? You are not just the only main king that I know. You're tormenting your people all this while with bad leadership as if that is not enough for you. But you added killing them to it.
Obiechina, shut your mouth. You do not speak to my husband, the great king of this kingdom, in that manner. Do not tell me that I raised a royal rascal.
You are not my mother. You did not raise me.
Obiechina, do not insult my mother when I'm here.
Then tell your mother to respect herself. That I stop collecting the glory of another woman.
Obiechina, your mother must be restless in her grave right now over the kind of useless son you have become.
You lie, father. My mother is proud of the kind of man I have become. Her only regret is getting married to you.
Daddy, now let's go now. Let's go now. It's a hospital. Let's go now.
See, I have an important meeting to attend. Later we'll go and see mommy at the hospital, okay?
Daddy, let's go now. Let's go now. The doctor said that we will not come now, that mommy will die.
Nothing will happen to your mother, okay? I want to be the next king of this town. And if I miss this meeting, it will affect my chance.
Do you choose the kingship over mommy life? Let's go now, Daddy, no, let's go now.
It's okay, we will go. We will go later, okay? Don't worry.
No, let us go later. Let's go now.
It's okay, relax, we will go, okay? Obiechina. Stop crying.
Daddy, stop. Don't tell me to stop crying. Because of you, my mommy will die. So please don't tell me to stop crying.
Obiechina. Obiechina.
You sacrificed my mother on the altar of your kingship ambition. You are not just a cruel king. You are wicked and a murderer.
How dare you? How dare you? Guards! Guards!
Father, please. Let's not disgrace ourselves before the commoners. I know that he has erred. But please, temper justice with mercy.
Stay away from war. Else, this palace will know no peace.
The only crime my sister committed was speaking for each and every one of us here. She does not deserve to die like that. Even if I'm the only youth standing, I will make sure I fight until this whole nonsense is over.
Shame will be on us if we allow the king to kill the voice of the voiceless. And the blood of war will be on our heads if we do not stop the assassination attempt.
We will have to fight to stop the king from assassinating one. Even if he has to fight all of us. Of course, you know there is no way he will kill all of us. What do we do? What do we do?
You know the only language our ruthless king understands is actions, not dialogue. And we are going to give it to him. Bam! There is no how our king is bigger than the whole community. So we mobilize the whole youth to march to that palace.
Are you suggesting we march to the palace to protest?
Exactly.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. We all know we have a ruthless king. And nobody can predict his next line of action.
If that is the price we have to pay, then I'm in.
No, Dimba. You and your sister have been fighting for everyone in this community. Now it is our time to fight for you people. See, you have to stay back and look after one while we go to the palace and confront the king.
Exactly. We have to fight to protect our land. We have to march to defend our land.
Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority.
Frank, you're back already. How was the protest?
I don't know. I did not go again. My father refused me from going. But I heard the king arrested those that went to protest.
The king did what?
He arrested them. Jesus Christ.
Why is this man so mean and wicked? How long will he continue to treat us as if we mean nothing to him?
I don't know. But the more reason we need to be very careful. We have to be careful this time around.
But Nkem and Odinaka, they are still there. What are we going to do?
Let's tell your sister. At least she's the youth leader. Let's tell her.
Please, take my sister out of this. I don't want to involve my sister in any more trouble, please. I think we should talk to the prince instead. Yes, he will be of help.
The prince, yes. Okay,
let's just talk to him.
Challenge the authority. Somebody need to save us from this dungeon. Somebody need to.
What insolence! Coming to my palace to rant without fear? Nobody comes to my palace, desecrates it, and gets away with it. They are going to remain locked up without food and water.
My husband, the great king of our kingdom, please calm down. Your word is law, and no one stands in your way. You are overworking yourself, and it is not good for your health. Please calm down. Please. For your health. Please, let's sit down.
You are so long. You were heartless king. I will stand my ground and fight you. Go red, go sunshine. I must fight you.
Father, what do I do to make you stop going after Nwara's life?
Marry Nancy and ask Nwara to leave this kingdom. That is the only way she will be able to escape my wrath. Else, she will die.
What is the assurance?
My word is my bond.
I will do it.
You will do what?
I will marry Nancy and make her my wife. If that is the only thing that will make you stop the assassination attempt on Mora's life. And also for you to release the captives, the youth that has been locked up.
You are a wise man. And you have just made the right decision.
Come in.
Greetings, my prince. The royal guests are here. The king seeks your presence.
Somebody need to pull Katani Somebody need to say the truth.
You are not excited about the development. I thought this is what you've always wanted.
You. What changed? You never wanted this.
Nothing changed. I am doing this not because I want to be with you, but to secure the freedom of the one woman I truly love and want to spend the rest of my life with.
Thank you. I'll talk to you in the presence of everyone. Give me your hand. Your hand.
Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Cheers to the new union.
Yes.
We are going to be a good family.
And I will soon become a grandmother.
Just look at them. They are holding hands. This shows unity. And I told you that they were born.
And I must say, I'm so happy to see my daughter smile again.
You can say that again.
Daughter-in-law, you are welcome to our family. Thank you, Father. Thank you, my king, my queen, and my beautiful princess. Thank you. I would like to say that today is the most happiest day of my life. Today is a liberation day for me. Prince Obiechina. One thing I love about you is your sincerity from the get-go. You have maintained your stand about this. And as it is, you've been right all along. But we are not going to get married because our parents want to use us as a collateral to pay for a favor they did to each other in the past.
Nancy, what are you saying?
I am saying that there will be no marriage between the prince and I. I thank you for your love and support. But unfortunately, my king, I am out. Father, let's go.
Nancy. My friend.
Nancy.
We can sort this out.
Obiechina, are you standing there? Would you follow her?
Obiechina, I know that this is your handiwork. Yes, it's your handiwork. You think you are smart? Listen, the battle line has been drawn.
I did not do anything to her. I'm serious. I didn't do anything to her.
Then what happened?
I don't know.
Then what happened?
Probably she just relaxed herself.
Really? Indeed. She realized herself. Bichina, you are a disappointment.
See,
Sort yourself.
You too?
I'm out.
I didn't do anything. Suddenly she just realized herself. I didn't do anything to her. I swear by the gods, I did not do anything. I want this marriage. Father, I want this marriage.
I'm so happy. I finally got this weight off my chest. Thank you, Lord. Come in, Bianca.
What do you mean by you have realized your true self?
Do you know the consequences of your decision?
Well, if it's about this, damn the consequences. I will not use charm to tie down a man. Never. Hell no. I am way too beautiful for that. Check me out now.
Really?
Aren't you seeing it?
Didn't you think about that before we embarked on that journey? Didn't you?
Well, like I said, I've realized myself.
Good for you.
Thank you.
And make sure you return that beat to Baba. Else, you won't like the consequences.
Really? Wait. You will have to return it to Baba yourself. Yes. Because it was all your idea in the first place.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Officers, that's the king.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, you are under arrest.
For what?
For illegal misuse of licensed firearm, intimidation, extortion, and that.
Do you know who you are talking to? I am the great king of this kingdom. I can call your commissioner now, and you'll be sacked.
Sir, this time now you cannot make any call. When we get to the station, you can make your call.
Move.
Officer, wait.
It's all right. Sir, I'm entitled to one phone call. Move. I'm entitled to a phone call. Move.
Officer, I can talk about this.
Officer, move. Move.
Obichina, call the commissioner. Mikos, they've taken your father. Obichina, do something. Obichina, do this. Officer!
She's ready for the war. She fears no man at all. She knows when truth to now.
Are you going to accept the kingship when your father is still alive?
Alive in prison.
Freedom of her people. All she needs is freedom and truthfulness.
You have no conscience.
We are talking about your father, our father, and you want to go there and talk about the throne. Obichina, where is your conscience? Where is it?
Listen, father deserves everything that he is getting. Everything.
My prince, it is sad how things turn out for the king.
But as we all know, in accordance with the tradition of this land, our throne cannot be left vacant for long. So, a new king must be crowned as soon as possible. We decided to discuss it with you before we take it to our people, telling them that the throne of our kingdom is vacant.
Oh no, you are very much correct. The kingship of our community, since it is not hereditary, it is still open for contention. The prince here is qualified to contest for the throne.
Well, thank you, my elders. I really do appreciate your constant support all the time. The privileges you've given to me, I do not take them for granted at all. I do not desire to become a king. The only one thing I desire right now is to get married to the woman of my dreams and move far away from this kingdom, where I can start a new family and live a quiet life after. Come. Come. Marry me.
Say yes. Say yes. Yes.
No. I won't marry you.
Sister.
No! The woman does not sit there.
I want to be the king and rule over my people.
Hey! Hey!
Ha! You were heartless king. I will stand my ground and fight you. Go rain, go sunshine, I must fight you. I will fulfill my destiny. In this land, I must fulfill it. In this land, I must fulfill what I come for. Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority.